Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Custom Knife Factory MKAD Empat here with me for a quick unboxing and review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. Look at this. That's a pretty cool one. Let's see what comes in the pouch. You have this Custom Knife Factory cloth. You have extra hardware, which is fantastic of them to provide you with extra stainless steel insert, extra multi-row ceramic ball bearings, extra pivot, extra screws. Very, very cool. And also you get an extra clip, because this is what usually you scratch first, and if you want to have a brand new looking knife, there you have it, a new clip. And you also have, of course, your certificate of authenticity. Ante Malishev is the designer, M390 steel handle and all that stuff, and serial number matching with the one engraved in the blade. And of course you have your Custom Knife Factory pouch that you probably know. And then you have the knife, which is a truly good surprise for me. Guys, look at this. This is an overall 8.46 inch long knife with a 3.62 inch long blade and 4.84 inch long handle. So it's not a big boy, but it's mid-size, I would say. This is the let's say the economic line for Custom Knife Factory. In fact, this guy is going to be $350, which doesn't mean this is a cheap one. Of course, it's very expensive, but if you compare it to the other offerings from Custom Knife Factory lately, they're around $650, $700. So this is kind of like the it's like a cheap option. To be honest, compared to the other offerings. And this is a very nicely made one. It is a very, very cool one. Look at this, like marble carbon fiber scales, nicely done. Very, very fit and finish is very, very good. Absolutely flush with these titanium slabs, titanium backspacer, 3D mill matching with the pocket clip, blacked out hardware. Lanyard hole is integrated with the backspacer. Nice tension in the clip. It's nicely designed, dual tone, stone wash and satin finish, M390 blade. This is a limited run. It's a flipper, nice jimping going on. Action is really, really smooth, really, really good. This guy runs on multi-row ceramic ball bearings, and the sound also it makes, it's nice and snappy. I just hit my hand. So look at that. Snappy. Classic, beautiful sound, strong, loud. It's not quiet. When you close it, it's quiet, but when you open it, it's oh, nice and clacky. I love it. It's kind of like echoing inside the handle. I don't know what's going on, but I appreciate this sound very much. Ergonomics are just good. There's no hot spots in my hand. It's nicely designed, nice finger groove. It's cool, guys. The weight of this guy is going to be 4.86 ounces, so not the lightest, but still pretty reasonable, if you ask me. And overall, nice look, nice sound, nice ergos. It feels really good indeed. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.